Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're just doing a brief test on this Pavoni espresso machine. We replaced the pressure stat. The machine was overheating. And we're also having an issue with the safety valve leaking. So we replaced, these are pieces from the old safety valve and slash vacuum release valve. And so the steam's working well. And you just see a test gauge that we have on here just to test the pressure. My customer didn't bring the portafilter, and unfortunately I don't have a portafilter here that fits this one, so I can't test the shot. But I'll just pull the lever. And that's about it. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.